Here we go. Alright, so this is the elevator that goes up to Lincoln Technical Institute at the Beregn Town Center in Paramus, New Jersey. According to Felicia, he said this thing was running horrible, so we're going to see if that's true. Oh my God. That is horrible. That is horrible. Oh my God, 4,000 pound capacity. Wow. Wow. I am literally speechless after seeing that. Wow. Yeah, Felicia, you were right. This thing runs like absolute trash now. Here's your alarm, 4,000 pound capacity to Thyssenkrupp, installed in 2009. Damn, wow, that is crazy. Even going down it's bad. But, excuse me, going up it's the worst. It takes forever to level. Wow. Let's go up to 3 again. I'm taking a risk, but here we go. What a roller coaster this thing is. Wow. Wow. That second time, second time going up this thing wasn't horrible, but wow, this thing is pretty bad. This thing could get, this thing needs a modernization, that's all I have to say, because that is horrible. I mean, come on, Urban Edge, really? I'm even surprised that Lincoln Tech is still here, the way that this elevator runs. And it's a big stop when it gets to the lower level. This thing is horrible, horrible. This thing used to be good, but it's sadly this thing has fallen apart. And the maintenance on this thing is not great either. Also, it takes forever to level. Wow, what a piece of garbage. A nice looking elevator that used to run well has now turned into a piece of garbage pretty much. So there it goes, and that's it.